Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, today I am going to show you in this video how to disable server manager at a startup. Means if you do not want to start server manager automatically at logon, we can disable it. If you have limited server like 1, 2 or 5, 10 server, you can disable it manually, and for that I have uploaded already video. Okay, you can refer that. I'll share that video link in this video description. Okay, but if you have multiple server like 50, 100 or more than 100 server, it will be little bit difficult to disable it manually by going to each server, right? So to avoid manual intervention, we can disable it using group policy. Okay, so let me log into my domain controller. Okay, so we'll see first how server manager will launch automatically, to which will disable using group policy. Okay, in same way you can disable server manager at a startup automatically on your servers. Okay, so let me log into my domain controller first here. See, I haven't opened this server manager, it was automatically launched, right? So in same way, if server manager is getting launched automatically in your case on your servers, and if you want to disable it, if you don't want to launch it automatically at a startup, you can use group policy for multiple servers to disable the server manager. Okay, for a single server or for a limited servers, as I already told you, you can disable it and for manually, and for that I have already uploaded a video, and I will share that video link in this video description. Okay, so let me open here group policy management. Okay, we'll create group policy. Okay, and then we'll implement it to disable this server manager. Okay, so this is my domain name itparivar.lan. In your case it will be different, right? So you have to expand this. You can see here group policy object. You will see here your group policies, whatever you have. Okay, so we are going to disable server manager. I have here already a group policy, but let me delete it and let me show you from the scratch. Okay, so I have deleted it and I am going to create new group policy to disable the server manager. So name it here like disable server manager at logon or startup, whatever you want to name it. Okay, at logon. Okay, now I'm going to edit this by doing right click and edit. You have to expand policies under computer configuration, expand administrative tool, and expand systems. Okay, system. If you want, you can scroll it down here and you will see the server manager. Okay, let me expand this here. Okay, once you'll expand the server manager, you will see here the option do not display server manager automatically at logon. Just double click on this, enable this option and apply. Okay, and close this. So now GPO, I mean group policy is ready to disable server manager at logon, right? So once GPO is ready, you can link this GPO to two level, like on domain level or on OU level. OU level means like these are the OUs here. In your case maybe it will be definitely different, right? So you can link GPU at OU level or domain level. The only difference will be if you link that GPO to domain level, it will be implemented to all the servers and client machines as well, right? But as we are going to disable server manager, automatically launch for the servers only, because server manager will not be available on the client machines. So that policy will be pushed to the client machines also, right? So it will be pushed only in case of you will link here on the domain level, right? But if you have few servers, or if you have servers those are in any specific OU, and for those servers only, if you want to disable the server manager at startup log on automatically, you can link GPU to that specific OU where your server is linked. Means in which OU your server is there, then you will link this OU to that OU, and then this GPU will be get implemented for those specific servers only which are in the OU, right? Like if you have in my case, if you'll see, I am clicked here on domain controller, you can see there is only one GPU, right? Let me open here first Active Directory users and computers, from where I'll show you how you can check, right? So suppose if you have multiple OUs here, right? In my case, you can see HR team OU, IT team OU, domain controllers. It will be by default on your domain controller also, right? I have one more OU that is by default computers OU. It will be available for you also. In this OU, I have only one machine, that is client. So on the client machine, you cannot disable server manager, but because that is not available for the client machines, right? So in same way, if you have any OU like HR or IT team or any XYZ OU where your servers are lying, and if you want to disable server manager to launch automatically on those servers, so you can link to that specific OU, right? So for now I have only one server, which is this domain controller, right? This DC. Okay, so I link it here. Okay, I link to the domain controller, so you that disable server manager group policy, and then we'll see like server manager is getting disabled or not, right? So again, if you have any server which are in different OU, you can link to that OU. Okay, like if you have any server which are in HR team OU, IT team OU, or any XYZ OU, you can link GPU to that specific OU, or to the server OU. Okay, so now I am on the group policy management console. So you can see here the same OUs are visible here also, like HR, IT team, domain controllers, right? Computers OU are by default. So once we'll link the GPU to the domain level, it will be implemented to the all the OUs, or all the environment or all the domain joined machines or servers. Okay, so for now I am going to link this GPU to the domain controller OU, because I have only one server, that is this DC, and that is in default domain controller OU, right? So let me right click and link an existing GPU. Okay, you have to select that GPU which you configured or created for the disable server manager, right? So as we created this policy, this GPU group policies disable server manager at logon, so just select this and so say okay. You can see for this OU there are now two group policies linked here. Okay, that is, one is default domain controllers policy, which will be default by default linked, and the another one whatever you will link. Okay, so in same way you can link to the any OU where your server, right? Let me close now and go to the CMD, type here gp update space / force. Okay, once group policy will be updated successfully, so see, computer policy update has completed successfully, user policy update has completed successfully. In same way, if you will not run the gp update force, it will take some time, like 10 to 15 minutes or 20 minutes, or not more than 30 minutes. So gpu will be pushed automatically, right, on your other servers. All right, now just for testing purpose, as we linked that group policy for this server, or we can say for the domain controllers OU only, and this server is in domain controllers OU. So now we'll see if server manager has been disabled or not. So what I'll do, I'm going to sign out from this server and I'll log in, and we'll see again if it is, server manager is getting launched or not. I'm going to re-log in. Click yes. So server manager not launched yet. Last time you saw that server manager was automatically launched, right? This time server manager not launched yet, means group policy has been applied and it's working, and server manager has been disabled now. So it will not be launched automatically whenever I will log into the server, or whenever you will log into your server, once GPU will be applied. Okay, if you want, you can open it manually by click on start button and go to server manager in this way, but it will not launch automatically, right? So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. So I'll request you to please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon, so that whenever I'll upload the new videos, you will get the new videos notification. If you have any query, please leave your comment. Thanks. Bye bye.